Hi crafty friends, Lace here, the cheeky bum, back with an incoming swap. So this is a swap that was due back in December, but I had joined 3 of Mika and Rocky's swaps, and she just I had her hold them and mail them all at once. So this one is for the Christmas card and tag swap, and this one is from Wanda. I'm super excited to break into it. You know, I know people are like, oh, that's a Christmas swap, but I don't mind getting like holidays throughout the year because I'm just going to put this in my stash and like it's building up my Christmas stash. So I'm going to already have Christmas tags and Christmas cards for my stash for next year that are good to go. So I'm excited either way. But on this bag, we have some fun dangles. Look at this puffy red heart. Oh, I like that. And then we have this beaded keychain. We have a candy cane and a little stocking up here. So cute. And I'm gonna break into here. I'll just pull everything out. Oh, I'm already loving how she's packaged stuff. We even have a little stamp in here, which is this like, ooh, it's like a kind of like a shabby stitched holly and berries, but the berries are buttons. That's really cute. I don't have anything like this, so we'll put that in my stash. So first off, I guess we're gonna do cards because these cards are all sitting right here. And look how gorgeous these are. I love how they're packaged. I almost don't want to like open them or do anything to them. I'll open one. They all look very similar, slightly different. So we have this pink one. This is gorgeous. I love like the pink, black, and white. Like that is just kind of, you wouldn't think of that, but this is like a chic Christmas, you know? Like this is for like my pink princess girlies. I like the black with the pink. Like you wouldn't think that, but it looks really good. So we have that one. This one says ho 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 with a reindeer and some snowflakes. Wow, I couldn't think of that word. Wow, snowflakes. Love the glitter reindeer. And then this one says jolly. But I love how she's packaged it. Like I just want to kind of like leave this and just gift them just like that because it's so gorgeous. And then this one says ho ho ho. So I'm gonna open one so that we can see it in person. But the other ones I'm just gonna leave because they're like ready to go. And sequins will get all over. But how cute are those? Come on. Oh, she does have sentiments in there. Hopefully they're all similar, but they're going to be some kind of Christmas. I forgot that we had to have sentiments, like either on the card or in the card. But those are gorgeous. And like I said, these are ready to go. So I am just going to pop it back in the bag just like this and put it in my stash. I'm going to have sequins everywhere now. I love sequins, but I hate sequins. It's a love-hate relationship. I'm pretty sure my vacuum feels the same way. I don't even know where to put those. Put them off to the side. So those are the cards. And then we have, look how gorgeous this bag is. I love Winnie the Pooh. Ooh, my cats are fighting right outside my door, so I'm really sorry. It's a showdown of the box. They both want to sit in one box, and they're fighting over it. So here's all of our tag. Oh, these are so pretty. I'm gonna open these. So here's our first tag. Look at this stocking. That is so cute. The colors match perfect. I like how she's done this in twine. It gives it just like a little bit more of a shabbier look, or what am I? Native type of look. I don't know how to explain that look, but I see it in my head. I like how she's done two-toned holly leaves. Those are really pretty. She's got the 2 in the front on the back. I love a good inked edge, so I love that. That is really cute. Oh, look at this little mouse. It looks like one cat has won the rights to the box, or the other one just gave up. look at this cute little sleigh with the mouse. It's got presents. Are these like, oh, these are like that really thin, like laser wood. So cute. I love that it's just got a simple like little seam binding on there. This is the back. This is gorgeous. And this one we have a Gingy. It's got a little dangle on here of a reindeer. This is a fun poinsettia. It's like a faux leather. So fun. Oh, look at this nutcracker. I like a good nutcracker. Oh, I want to be careful not to bend the snowflake. So look at this shaker snowflake. I love this nutcracker. Ho, ho, ho. I like her use of like, I think this is just like little faux trim, but she's like reinforced that hole. Like these snowflakes are very delicate, so that works so well. I would never thought of that. So cute. So those are the tags, and then there's this little bag here that I feel like has goodies in here. What do we have in here? I think we had to have an ornament or something too, if I remember correctly. At the beginning of this video, all the requirements will be posted. I just don't remember what they are. It is an ornament. So here is the ornament. Oh, that is gorgeous. That's heavy. It's a heavy glass ornament that's got these bells in there and like stained glass window. I really like that. That's really pretty. So pretty. And then we have, ooh, these. You can't go wrong with some bling to add in your shakers or like your bags and mixes like this. So cute. Ooh, and then some sickles. I actually don't have this color, so this is perfect because I don't have that color. I have a lot of colors, but I don't think I have this one. Thank you so much, Wanda, for being my swap partner. Not that you knew it, but I'm happy that I got your swap. Everything is gorgeous. I will link all of her information down below so you can give her some crafty love along with Mika and Rocky. They're always, you know, hosting swaps. I know that Mika's got a birthday swap coming up. There's a peep swap. Some are open, some are closed, some are one-on-one. You just never know what you're gonna get, but make sure you're checking out their channels, and everybody has just done an amazing job. Thank you, Mika, for holding these and sending them out all at once. I really appreciate you. You're a great hostess, and yes, I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.